Oh hey, howdy folks. I am on my way to the Smokey Mountains National Forest. I'll be hanging out there for a few days. I just passed the new River Gorge in West Virginia. Just a few miles past, but unfortunately it was too dark to really enjoy it. Got a little video crossing the bridge, but all you could see was the sunset. So I'm gonna head back a few miles tomorrow morning when I get up and go check it out in the daytime because it is pretty awesome. I've been there a few times and it's just pretty amazing. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but just this huge bridge that goes across this gigantic gorge, and yeah, I'll get some pictures of it and maybe cook something up there while I'm there. But for now, I'm tired, it's late, I'm gonna hit the hay. So I'll see you in the morning.
Slips away, so savor these moments like the others tucked away. Throw away the watch you're wearing, time to fool, never sharing. Love is patient, love is kind. I see love in your eyes. Only said I just can't get back to home. Feel the memory strong while the pain is peeling off the walls. He said, just look around and just look around. I'm just living in this moment, slow down, drink it in. It's not often that we sit still like this before you know it. Life, time slips away. I'm just living in this moment, slow down, drink it in. It's not often that we sit still like this before you know it. Life, time slips away. So savor these moments like the others. I'm just living in this moment, slow down, drink it in. It's not often that we sit still like this before you know it. Life, time slips away. So savor these moments like the others tucked away.
Here's the new River Gorge. It's pretty impressive. It's funny how you can drive over it at night and don't even know it's there. Yeah, cool stuff. So I got a West Virginia staple meal here. We got pinto beans cooked with bacon, put little onions and salt and pepper for taste, and I made these little cornbread skillet pancakes. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Looked it up online and it was on several websites. Talked about pinto beans and cornbread. I like it. I think I have another 4 hours of driving before I make it down to the Smokey Mountains. That's gonna be cool. Last time I was down there, I thought for sure I was gonna see a bear. This loop that I did, I think it was the rangers or whoever was working in the little visitor center there, said that there were a ton of black bear always hanging out around there. Did the whole loop, looked around for it, not a bear in sight, so I don't know. Maybe we'll get lucky and see one this time. As long as you're not trying to eat me. That wouldn't be good. Well, that's about it for this one. I'm gonna head to the Smokies and I hope to see you there. Until next time, Godspeed.